What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to BZ. Today I made it back over to the Leon River, the Miller Springs Park. Wanted to come launch my new kayak. Yeah, that's right. Got a Pelican Classic Catch 100. Wanted to take it out on its maiden voyage here on this river. Seemed only fitting. And also to be able to do a fishing report here. So how did things go for me today? Let's check it out. Well, I can say right now, without question, this thing is way, way better. Although as far as a stand-up kayak, based on what I'm seeing already, yeah, it's probably not really going to be a great stand-up kayak, but it might be able to get some upgrades to be able to make it one. This one will be a lot easier than Sour Bill will. There we go. Come on over here. Let the tension off. Grab this fish. Back myself off of this log real quick. That's a decent bass. Camera got bumped up. But anyway, decent bass. Nice little dark spot on his back. Alright, so since I got it with me, might as well measure him real quick. Let's see what we're looking like. So he's 16 and a quarter. 16 and a quarter. Not bad. Alright. Good solid fish to start the day off. Let me get a release on this guy. He might come. Splash goodbye. He hit it pretty quick when it hit the water too. Take that as an indication as they're more so actively feeding. There we go. So, you see how easily I can get my net out. Just a test. Alright, there we go. Alright, not a monster. He's skinny too. Man, he's a skinny one. But he fought pretty good, being so tiny. Say about 10, maybe 12 inches. Yeah, he might be 12. He's been caught before though, a couple times. Let's just get him back. Off he goes. So far, better trip than last time, although I caught a bigger fish last time, but I fished all day. Had very, very little action. There we go. I think that's a good bass too. Get my freaking net out. Oh no, not a bass at all. It was a good fish, it was not a bass. Big old freaking drum, man. Definitely not expecting this today. Man, hard to hold these jokers, man. Might have to get my pliers out. Big old freaking drum. Was not expecting that. Anyway, dump him off. There we go. Good colors on him too. Man, he's got some nice colors on him. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Man. Oh, that's a gorgeous fish right there. Gorgeous. Alright, let me get him unhooked so I can let him go real quick. Oh, crap. Stick. There we go. Man, that is a beautiful colored bass. Off he goes. There we go. There's another one. Crap, is this that same fish? This might actually be the same freaking fish that I just caught over there, or another one that looks just like him. I'll have to review the footage and see, but this one's super vibrant colored too. Yep, down in his mouth there you can see where my last hook was. He came right back and hit it again. Man, he wanted this thing. Yep, you can see where I hooked him the first time, and then you can see further down in where I hooked him the second time. He came right back after it. I don't mind catching him twice. That counts as two, huh? Even though it's the same fish, I cast and caught another fish. Alright, let's let him go once more. Yeah, bite me on your way out then, huh? He was mad at that thing, huh? He does not like this bandito bug. Wonder if he's over there sitting on a bed or something. Wonder if that's why he's so aggressive toward it. There we go. This almost looks like the same freaking fish again. I promise, this looks like the same freaking fish, but I'm nowhere near. It's smaller. It's smaller. Yeah, it's definitely a different fish. It's a smaller one. And looking in his mouth, it's definitely different. But still, vibrant colors on these bass in here. I noted that before. Very vibrant colors. Let's get him back. Splash the crap out of me. Definitely got to wipe the camera off after that one. So I'm kind of losing track of how many fish that is. I'm not really sure anymore. 5, 6, I don't know. Either way, it's safe to say that's a good day. If you're losing track of how many you got. I saw something little. Knew I saw something little over there. Hey. Alright, calm yourself. Smallest one of the day. Knew I saw something little camped out over there. I can put one of the arms on my bandito. Is that what I think it is? On the log over there. Somebody put a doll on that log. Like a little action figure or something. Oh, people with a sense of humor, man. They've been spray painted too. Yeah. Little guy. You might be tied for smallest of the day. Yeah, he might be the smallest of the day. Man, it's crazy that he was able to take. It's crazy that he was able to take this bandito bug. But they got big appetites. Alright, so to take a quick look at the kayak. Overall, it's 4 inches longer than Sourbill. It's 10 foot. It's 4 inches wider as well. Got a dry storage compartment up here, which after a day of fishing, I did not see any water in there at all. But man, this thing is super roomy. I can fit spinnerbait box in here, soft plastics, anchor. Basically everything I need can go in there. Let's toss those back in there. Yeah, kept it all good and dry. And I really like these handles. Good hard handles. Definitely has an improved seat on it. I like the foot rests. I can actually put my feet on them and be comfortable. Biggest thing, the raised elevated seat. Super love it. Now later on I'll do a full-on review video of this kayak, but just to kind of give you an idea of what I have. Now I didn't test it to see if I could stand in this thing, although I'm kind of thinking after what I saw today that I'm not going to be able to, but that's alright. I can at least sit up and I'm not sitting so uncomfortably, and I can see better, and it is a little tougher to paddle. It's a little higher up, although they do have a low seat adjustment that I can put the seat down low, but I like keeping it up high because there's all kinds of junk under here. Got a bunch of lures, my drinks, my camera box, crankbait box, and I got more room in the back too. Just a real quick look at my new kayak, Achilles. Now it may get a name change later when I do the upgrades to it, and you will see what those are soon enough. But anyways, let me get back to my fishing report. All right, so on the water today, had a pretty good day. There was a lot of action. Saw a bunch of topwater activity earlier on in the day. I tried topwater for a little bit, didn't work out. Couldn't catch anything on topwater. I only had one, probably bluegill, come up and try to mess with the Guggentoad, but it's a bit early for that yet. Was absolutely crushing it on the Guggenbait bandito bug, the Okeechobee craw. As you know, one of my favorite color patterns for that particular lure. I'll do a color matching video in the future to do a matching of the Okeechobee craw, and so you guys can see how, and maybe possibly if you make baits at home, you can replicate. But anyway, so fishing was good today. Caught 7 or 8 bass. I'm not sure exactly. I'll have to review the footage, but 7 or 8 bass. Big goofy drum. Man, that thing, I thought I had a big old bass on. Like, I thought I had a big old bass. Turns out I was wrong. The fishing is improving here on the Leon River. I have yet to see any signs of spawning activity. I did not see any bass on beds. I saw very few bass in the shallows. Most were hanging around the cover, and I was getting them by just flipping that Texas rig bandito bug up by the cover, and even caught the same bass twice. Which is crazy. Usually they will not come back and hit it again unless maybe if they're guarding a bed. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my update, and I will catch you guys next time.